Are you confused about what is Agent AI? Hello everyone, I'm Aditya and I'm here to simplify the Agent AI overall with some very basic example. So without any further ado, let's begin. To understand Agent AI better, let's understand what are automations and what are like simple chatbots which have some generative AI elements in it and how Agent AI differs from all of these. So let's take an example. You have a Gmail account, you have a Google Drive account, of course. Now, what you want is any new email or any emails that come to your Gmail inbox, you want to save the attachments straight to your Google Drive. Now, there are two ways to do it. You go through your emails, pick the attachments and download it and save it to your drive. The other way to do it is to create an automation flow. So here how it works is as soon as an email comes, an event is triggered to save that files if it has any attachment to straight to your Google Drive account. Now here you could use Google APIs or you could use tools like Zapier or any other automation tool. So this is just an example, you lots of services and create like an automated pipeline. Next, we got a chatbot or more like use of some LLM or generative AI to solve some problem. So let's take an example. Let's say you have a chatbot which just acts as a simple AI bot where user asks a question and an answer is provided. So here you can have that bot feed in some answers, like if user says hello, say hi, something like that. Or you can use an element of ChatGPT API or Claude AI API or some LLM where the bot will send a response to the LLM and then it will just process that and send the response back to the user. So this will be more like a human-like, but the thing here is that it is following a set routine, like the instructions are given in the code and it just sticks with those instructions. It's not making any decision. For instance, let's say if the user asks how many products are there on your website, or this is my order ID, what should I do? So this bot doesn't really know how to deal with that. And that's where we got Agent AI. Now here, what Agent AI does is, it's again an AI bot, but little bit smarter and it makes decisions based on the context provided. So let's take an example in a real world. Okay. So let's say we are hiring someone or you're getting hired somewhere. So what happens is in your job role, you are given some set of tasks or you're given like this is your task for your job role. Along with that, you're given some tools to work with. So let's take an example. Let's say you are a front-end developer and you are said, okay, this is the project. So this is the Figma design and this is what you need to do, etc., etc., etc. The other one could be social media marketer and you are given tools like some scheduling tool or some CRM tool or some sort of tools. And you are told, okay, use these tools and these are your tasks. Could be post scheduling or anything. We as a human will make decision based on the context and the task provided. Same logic is applied over here. How does this differ? So here with the previous things, how does this differ? Let's take example of the chatbot again. Now here the user sends a request and what happens is the bot understands the message and then decide whether it has to run a function or a function from the set of functions. Okay. These things are generally known as tools. Okay. So treat them like a marketing person. They are provided with the tools of, let's say, CRM, scheduling tool, etc., etc. And based on the task, they use one of these tools. Now here in your code, it could be the third-party API function, like a function to call a third-party API. It could be interacting with your own database. It could be some other logical code, which could be like deciding whether to call API or database or so on, or it could be anything, any tasks, like anything related to that task, the set of tools or set of functions that you want this bot to run and provide response to the user based on the response of these tool or tools. Okay. Now, how does this work? This again uses an LLM under the hood. Okay. So how does that LLM works is at a very simple level. So user sends a request, LLM understands the message. LLM knows that, okay, these are the tools that it got. Okay. Then based on the message, it tries to figure out which tool should I use or which tools should I use out of these or which function should I run. The response is provided from the function. The LLM understands the response and then sends the response back to the user in a human readable language. One example could be, let's say this chatbot is asked to provide the details about a payment transaction. So it will go to the database, run the query, or ask this function to run the query, or it could use Stripe API and get the details of the payment and then provide a response to the user. Or it could be like signing up the user or escalating that ticket to the higher person, or maybe like an actual human. So all these things can be done with this agent AI. So that's all in this short video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you feel this video is worth sharing with your network, please do share with your network. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. So see you in the next video. Till the next time, goodbye.